So today we got a 2019 Chevy Silverado. I noticed a water leak in my truck. The first thing I did was take it to the dealership to see what they had to say. And they told me that the rear vents were leaking. So I did some research. Amazon had some for like, I think it was like 19, 20 bucks. I ordered a set of those. Those seemed real flimsy. The things weren't sitting down. The flaps weren't sitting down. So I just went straight from the dealership. Matter of fact, come on. So first, what I'm gonna do is, I know I gotta take this amp rack out. I'm gonna just pull it back. I was able to go ahead and get one of them out. This is the original one that came in the truck. Because like I said, I went and got some on Amazon. Those weren't really durable. So I like these ones straight from the factory dealership. But it just seems like the seal on the old one is just like flat. The new one's more round to seal it a little more. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and take this amp rack down, put the new ones in, run some water with the water hose, run some more water on it, see if that fixes it. If it does not fix it, then we'll probably check the rear window or the sliding glass. I know in some instances I've seen some guys saying that this third brake light might be leaking, or this spoiler. So let me go ahead and replace these vents. Once I replace the vents, I'll do my water test again and go from there. Wish me good luck. I hope this fixes it. If not, like I said, I'll do another one on what else I find. So stay tuned. I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. All right, so I got the amp rack down. So now I've already taken out both of the vents. There's the old one. Now I'm about to put the new vents in, put the amp rack back, and then do a water test on it. Stay tuned. All right, so back to this 2019. It's actually 2019 and up. For the cabin air vents, pressure vents, that's leaking. One's on the other side of that amp, but here's my old ones. Get my old ones. Here are the old ones that were leaking. In order to replace those, I thought you would be able to either come in the back there or from underneath. But for the newer Chevys 2019 and up, you have to remove your cab. You have to remove that cab, man. It's like 8 bolts, and then disconnect the tail lights, slide it back an inch or two. That'll give you enough clearance right here to slide the vents in, and then you gotta screw it back in. So I just wanted to update you on that, guys. I did end up getting them in. I took my amp rack down just to make sure everything's snugged in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and hook my wires back up and get everything cleaned back up, man. Once again, I appreciate you guys. 2019 and newer, air vent leaking. You have to push the cab back in order to replace those. You cannot just pop them in from coming on the top here or underneath. Thank you, guys.